Alright, bro. I'm redoing this video, man. I didn't have to redo it, but I wanted to redo it. But what's going on right now, as you can see, you can see it. You can see it. You can see it. Look at this, man. I know a lot of us been waiting for this to happen, man. For it to sell, man. We've been in this whole just dumb place, but it was anticipated. We knew this was gonna happen. I gotta start looking at the camera. We knew this was gonna happen, man. We knew it. We knew it. We knew it. Reason we knew it is because price had to correct in a way, in a weird way, which I still believe when it do, like, if it do end up correcting again, like if it end up coming back up, I think it's gonna come back up here. But but if it don't, it's gonna be a long time until it do. And when it do, we gonna already be in the trade from down here, bro. Straight up. But look, this is what I see. This is what I see, bro. Let's go to the weekly chart. For those that don't know what I mean by weekly chart, every one of these candles is a week. It takes for a week for it to form. Just same thing from when I go down to different candles, different time frames or whatever time frame I'm on. That's how long it takes for that candle to form. And every one of these is a candle, okay? But yeah, here you go, man. This is what we seen, man. This is what we anticipated. Either we was gonna come up here above this for a correction, or we was gonna tap into it, or we was just gonna come into this gap right here, which we came into this gap, and now we're falling. We're falling, and I think we're gonna fall straight down here to 13, 213, maybe lower, maybe higher than that. But I know we about to drop. Bitcoin is about to crash, so I'm gonna be holding this. I'm not gonna even pay attention to it. I'm gonna hold it. And when y'all see me later on, when getting out the trade, I'm be like, look, I told y'all. And then next time you see us trading anything with this, is gonna be buying it from the bottom and working our way back up. But yeah, man, it's Bitcoin right now, man. Bitcoin is falling, and if you ain't getting in, you too late, man. Straight up. But hey, man, already up 42. But let's get straight into another something else. Let's go to Nasdaq for real. Let's talk about Nasdaq. Let's talk about it. Because I anticipated this to happen for a couple of, well, not a couple days, like a day, 2 days, or whatever. Couple of days, whatever you want to say. I anticipated price to come all the way up here and fall. Reason being is because I believed we was gonna go into a correction. I believe this was a whole correction move. If you look right here, we indicated that sellers are in control, and then we just started going up. But I knew if it was going up, we had to go somewhere. And where did we go? We went up here, where on the 4-hour chart, this candle right here that I'm on didn't get corrected. And then on the hourly chart, this candle right here, where this line is, didn't get corrected. And when I'm saying corrected, an actual correction, I believe, is when the body closes above the line that I have marked out. The body has to close. And what is a body? A body is this little rectangle area. All right, that's the body. Okay, not the line. The line is a wick. Okay, but other than that, man, I had expected price to go above that. Then I seen also when we was trading, I seen price had fell all the way down here, and in my head, and I think I made a video about it. I don't know if I dropped it or not, but in my head, I knew that, okay, we had a news event coming up, which was FMCS, which is this big candle, where actually it was this small black candle right here. But it didn't go all the way up there like I wanted to at that time. So what happened was later on the volume kicked in for some reason, and price shot down, and then it went straight up. And when it went straight up before the market closed, a body closure above this area right here. That's what happened. And then it just straight dropped. Then it came back up to this area, and then fell again. And then today, caught this trade. I anticipated to come to this low right here, but it ended up coming to this low. And actually, I anticipated for it to come down here, but I just took a trade to this low right here. Got out, took a quick little trade, 7,000, boom. But I knew price was gonna come down here. Reason I knew price would come down here because it was areas where price did not correct. Now we had price correcting for the hourly, which corrected right here. And I think on a 4-hour, it corrected. Yep. But I want to see a correction under here for the 4-hour. For 4-hour, I want to see a correction under here, in which that is happening now. It might keep going down. We don't know. It's looking bearish. It's looking bearish. It's looking real bearish, and I'm looking for sales tomorrow. The way it's looking, but that don't mean it's gonna happen. Okay, boom. That's Nasdaq for you. Let's go to gold now. I think gold is going on a big correction now. That's what I think. But somebody said they looking for buys because the trend or whatever. I think the trend is about to stop. Me personally, I think the trend is about to stop. Now, they said they was looking for buys up here. The reason why I did not look for buys right here for this is because we gave an indication, a big indication. Boom, price drop. Now, if we do come up here again, I want to see price close above this area right here, this black line. I want to see price close above it and then go short. But if we break this high right here, most likely we're going high, but we're going higher. But I believe we're going short now, and we're starting to correct all the way back down to these areas that we did not correct it. Now, that don't mean some type of something will happen in the world where people will start buying. We don't know. In the state of the world right now, it's likely. But that's that for that. And silver, same old thing. I think we're starting to correct now on silver. I did take some trades on silver, some dumb trades, because silver it just moved a lot. But I ended up making my money back. With that being said, yeah. But I think we're gonna correct down to these areas too. Same thing. And no, that's it, bro. Same like this S&P 500, same thing as Nasdaq. You feel me? Same thing as Dow Jones. Same thing. Bro. I've been liking what I'm seeing, bro. Like, I know what's going on. Like, it don't get talked about enough. It don't get talked about. And I keep looking over here instead of looking right here, child. I gotta work on that. But it don't get talked about enough, bro. How corrections happen, bro. And a correction don't have to happen, and then it eventually happen. And you just gotta know where you're at in the market. And it don't get talked about enough. And I don't think people hold the weight for that in the community of ICC. I don't think they hold the weight of that, and I don't think everybody knows that. But as you can see, bro, it's working out good for me. It's working out good for me. Same as draws on liquidity for weekly opening gaps, man, daily opening gaps. That's still working out for me. I think I found exactly what works out for me, and I'm gonna stick to it, bro. I'm gonna really stick to it. What else, bro? We could have took this sale right here too, cause it's low. Where buyers was at. If we use a market structure, but hey, boy. I mean, I wish I had more people to do this with me, and then we could talk about it. And yeah, bro. But hey, it's alright. It's all good. As you can see right now, it's coming low here. I want to see a correction under there. If we do end up going higher, that's okay. But I would like to see a correction down here, closure under here to go higher though. That's what I would like to see for that NASDAQ. But it don't have to happen. It don't have to keep going lower. It can go up, it can go down. It's whatever, bro. That's it for that, man. If anybody is confused and want to make money, side money off of this, want to learn, bro, just say it. Type it in the comments, bro. It's nothing to learn this. Like, it's, if you gonna take the time to go to school or anything, bro, take the time and learn this. If you gonna do anything, I suggest, it don't matter what it is in the world, bro. It don't matter. Let me take my glasses off when I tell you this. It don't matter what it is you're doing. Learn trading. Trust me. Learn it. Learn it. Cause it's a big F you in somebody's face when they try to play with you, and it's a big F you, bro. I'm telling you. All the rich people in the world, this is what they do. Trust me, this is what they do. You wanna hear stories about how a man sit there. Look, I'm gonna tell you this story. There's a guy that I be watching his videos. Well, he was like, yeah, I made this bet with this billionaire or whatever. And I was like, I told him, if I make more money than him, and I mean, I think he said the next few hours or whatever, then I gotta pay for the dinner. And they do stuff like that. It's like an ego thing or whatever. And the billionaire sit there, he had him thinking that he made more money than him and all that stuff. The billionaire pulled his phone out at the end of the dinner and showed him his phone, and the man made $52 million while they were sitting right there eating. Now, if you telling me this is something that you don't want to do, bro, you're tripping. Get into trading, bro. Trust me. It don't hurt to do it, bro. There's a for the black people, bro. There's a black person out there that owns one of the biggest luxury bag companies or whatever, and he trades, bro. He do trading too. His name is Lucci. He trade, bro. Trust me, bro. Trading is something everybody should get in, bro. Trust me, bro. I'm telling you. Yeah, but this is just paper right here. This is not my real account. This is paper. Just for you, everybody in there, out there that's wondering, this is just paper, bro. It's just paper. It's not my real account. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. Y'all missing out, bro. And I don't think my black community is informed enough when it comes to wealth, money in general. Trading is a big F you, and I'm gonna forever say it. It's a big F you, bro. If anybody play with you, you can be like, I don't need to deal with this. And look, and then pop up, show them that, be like, I just made your salary, and then they'll leave you alone. You can really do that, but I'm not gonna do that unless somebody push me to that point. But, bro, learn it, bro. Learn trading. I'm gonna keep saying it. I'm gonna keep saying it. Pushing. I'm gonna push it in y'all head for y'all to do it, bro. Trust me. What else, man? What else I gotta tell y'all, man? I don't think there's nothing else I gotta tell y'all, man. I don't think there's nothing else I gotta tell y'all, man. I'm gonna drop this video, and then I'm gonna drop another video tomorrow that I already made. Yeah, bro. I just want to keep talking to y'all, for real. I ain't gonna even cat to you. I just want to talk to y'all, man. This is fun, man. This is fun. I'm excited. 2026, man. Some things never change. Man, this is just amazing, bro. But hey, I'm gonna get off of here, man. Please like, comment, subscribe. Type in the comments, man, if y'all want to learn this for real, bro. Please, if you want to learn this from me personally, type in the comments and say, hey, I want to learn this. Can you teach me? And I will teach you for free. For free. Okay? Hey, I'm out, man.